This is the solution video for section 6.2, problem number 17. All right, so we have the integral of sine of x plus cosine of x squared. Now, what we've always said is if I have something inside of another function, then we want to think about that as our u. But u equals sine x plus cosine x will not work. Why? Well, because we would have u squared, right? And then if I take the derivative of u, right, the derivative of sine is cosine x plus negative sine x, and then that times dx. I don't have any of that stuff, right? And so that is problematic. So that u substitution does not work. Now, I also give you this hint, which is probably important, right? And so the way we approach this one is we multiply out this sine x plus cosine x squared. So that, remember, that means sine x plus cosine x times itself. And so you're going to end up with sine squared x plus, now I have sine times cosine and two of those. So 2 sine x cosine x, and then plus cosine squared x, right? All of that now is being integrated. All right. So you can see here I have the 2 sine x cosine x, and I give you this hint, right, that that's the sine of 2 theta, right? And so I can say, okay, that is sine of 2x. Okay, now what about sine squared and cosine squared? Well, sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. So I really have plus 1. All right, so now I have two things added together, so I'm going to integrate them separately. So I have the integral of the sine of 2x dx plus the integral of 1 dx. All right, now the integral of 1, that's easy, that's just x. All right, but what about the sine of 2x? I'm going to need a u substitution. So u equals 2x, which means that du is 2 dx. All right, so now that means I have the integral of the sine of u dx. So remember, I needed a 2. So I'm going to put a 2 with the dx, which means I need a 1 half on the outside. All right, and then I still have this integral of 1 dx. All right, so now I have 1 half integral of the sine of u du plus the integral of 1 dx. Remember, I didn't do any u substitution on that second integral. All right, so now integral of sine is negative cosine of u, and then plus the integral of 1 dx, that's just x, and then plus c. So now we have to replace our u, and so I get negative 1 half cosine of 2x plus x plus c. All right, and so that is problem number 17.